Hi, this is the CUBOT King Kong 7 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, by the same way hold the app and drag it. To give a name or to rename the application, the folder, tap here on the name and enter the new one or just renamed it. By this way, to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this app in the apps menu. And also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.